that you don't know the value of this kind of money. You are saying like it's just only 3000 or 300. You don't know the value of money. You just start to earn on your own. Then you will definitely realize the value of money. Then but back then I was not even bothered about it. Just it's the advice from my mother's side, right? Okay, let it be. But when I started to earn on my own, and when I started to face all these kind of situations, then I realized that it's okay. And whenever
kind of things. If they do the same thing, they take a action.
Yeah,
Obviously,
okay,
they
okay. It happens during every situations. I mean, a pandemic or this war, natural calamities, people take advantage. Not everybody, I
yes,
can't say that every people take advantage of it, but still there are a certain group of people, they spread fake newses, and
yes,
they have a mindset that they want to get the people be panicked, right?
yeah, and yeah, and also there are people are sharing old videos,
Mm-hmm.
which is before 4 to 5 years. No, sometimes there is some fire accident, so they spreading those videos now. It's
Mm-hmm.
look like the attack video, so they spreading those videos. So that's why uh, they are controlling to
Uh-huh.
spread those videos. Yeah.
Because they want to give a boost for the situations without any reason. There is no advantage for them, but still they want to make fun of the people, and also they
Yeah.
want to make. I can say their mindset is that much worst, I think.
Yeah, actually, another one main thing is Dubai and most of the Gulf countries is mostly famous for its safety. No,
Yes, yes.
people believes here, yeah, everyone get a safe life. But if they are spreading these kind of videos, it is a defamous for them. No,
Yes, yes, yes.
defaming them,
So
their country, defaming their country. Yeah,
yes, yes.
so
But
that's why.
so take care of you and your family. Be safe.
Yeah. Yes, I think I we believe it will end within 2 day, 2 weeks or something.
Mhm.
No, anyway, it's not going to end 1 or 2 days. It's continuing
Yeah,
like this.
it would take
Yeah.
time, but I also hope that it would end up soon.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We also believe like this.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah.
Today's topic is financial planning and its importance, right?
Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
So what do you think about financial planning?
Financial planning, actually, it is the one of the crucial points that we all should think about. And financial planning is actually we should have a sense of financial planning since our childhood itself. I think so. Because nowadays we face a lot of problems, and there is a rumor, and not rumor, actually, we can say we all believe that we can solve many of our problems with the use of money, right? So there should be a mindset of saving money, and we have to spend our money according to our needs and wants. We should be aware of what are the needs and the wants. So planning is very crucial in the case of economic, I mean, money and savings, expenditure, in all these. I think so. So, what is your opinion about it?
Yeah, for me also financial when it comes to financial planning, obviously, each and every when we are framing as a family, when we are being a group of a family, obviously very much needed to plan financially
Mm-hmm.
comparing to a other things. It is very needed to plan which is related to financial, because nowadays each and everyone is living as a nuclear family. We are not at all living in a joint family. So before long ago we were in a joint family, so we don't want to think about financially, because
Mm-hmm.
most of the time there must be a elders who is planning financial things in their house. But nowadays we are all in a nuclear family, so it is in our hands. We have to plan. in a proper way. We
Mm,
should plan our income as well as how we spending those money. So
mhm.
we have to be record all those things
Yes.
to, yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
for our future, I think.
Yes, obviously true. And you said correct thing because it is very essential to know, I mean, about the importance of financial planning. Because as you said, we all live in an era in which we can see a lot of nuclear families. But previously, it was all filled with I mean, our society was filled with joint families. So there were so many people who were earning, right? So it was bit easy for them to manage the household things and their expenditure as well. But as per the current situation, it is not possible to run a family only with the earnings of a single man or woman, right? So it is very essential to be employed. I mean, both the husband and wife of the same family.
Right.
So in such situation, and we know each and every day. So here the war situation is going up. So in situation in this situation, Indians expect a huge rise in the oil price, right? So
Yeah.
we are already calculating about the future increase in oil price. So
Yeah.
it's just an example, right? So and the gold
Yeah.
rate and essential things, gold and oil, these are not, we cannot consider it as essential things, but still I am putting forward the examples. And as well as the essential things, just we can say the rice and the household, I mean the ration items, right? Rice,
Yeah.
wheat, oil, etc., etc. So the prices of these kind of essential goods there, that is also nowadays growing up. I mean going up. So
Yeah.
in such situation, we should think about. I mean think wisely, right? So we have to save our money wisely, and we all have multiple goals in our life. Right, we have to buy a new car, we have to buy a new house, etc., etc. So to meet all these needs, we have to plan our expenditure and we should have a savings, right? So it is very important to, what I can say, spend our money wisely. So, and the
Yeah.
needs and wants, we should be aware of what is need and what is want. If it is want, then it's okay, we can adjust there. But in case of need, we have to be just like, I can say, a spendthrift, because these are essential things. Otherwise we should be very, I can say, miser, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Actually, it's in our hands. We have to control um, our wishes. No. If we, yeah, everyone have their own wish. They like to buy a new car. They like to buy a new dress. So everything, it's in our own wish or our own um, yeah, it's wish. So if we couldn't reach that wish, we have to accept that we don't have if we couldn't get those things, we should uh, prepare for from our expenses. We should keep some money from
Mhm.
our salary. So it's our responsibility to buy something. If we couldn't buy, we have to accept the reality. Yeah, today we couldn't buy, but in future we can. But still we have to accept. We don't want to rush to be that level, comparing to other person. They are buying new car, I have to buy, I should buy. So for comparing others, for to be the level with others,
Mhm.
we are doing lot of things without thinking of the need. Do we need this or not? Without thinking of this, we are spending in some other things. It's a obviously in one day, one point, we get a financial crisis because of all these wishes. We have to control our wish.
Yes.
Yeah, I think.
Yes.
And how does financial planning help during emergencies? What is your idea?
Obviously, it helps us a lot because we can't say when we would have an emergency. We can take an example of Corona time, right? We weren't expecting a Corona, and completely the lockdown system was completely new for us. I haven't heard about a lockdown prior to that. So it was a sudden, and during the initial days, I was not bothered about what is going on here, and I was just imagining like the schools will reopen soon because it's just shut down, just like
Yeah.
when it pours heavily, the schools will remain closed for 2 or 4 days, right? So in the same sense,
Yeah.
I was also expecting to reopen the schools very soon, but later on I realized that oh, it's something different happening now. So it's something crucial. It's not just like
Yeah.
Nipah, or Nipah is also, it is also very dangerous, but Corona was, its intensity was something different, right? So
Yes.
I later on I realized that it is very dangerous situation, and many people were not having enough money on their bank account. And I know about several people who have faced a lot of problems because of the lack of money, and I also went through such a situation. So this is an example. So in such situations, this is also was an emergency, right? So we were already at our home during this time period for, I think, more than 2 years, right? If I'm not wrong,
Yeah.
we went through the lockdown period for almost more than 2 years. So what we were doing back then, many people suffered because of the unemployment problem. And when they were going through unemployment problem, they weren't having enough money for the to meet their essential needs. Then we cannot even think about our wants. So, and the government was providing the essential things through the facilities of ration shops, right? So in such situations, it was some kind of help, but we cannot say that okay, it was okay, we were just having a pleasure and a rest time at our home. It's not like that, and many people suffered a lot, both economically and as well as mentally. I also went through such situation, but by the grace of God, I was working at home, and my husband also was working at home, but still the thing was happening around us, and it was just like a mental shock for each and every people in this world. It was not affected only to India, but the whole over the world, right? So
Whole
it
world.
was just a dangerous situation, and it was just an accident. We can consider accident. We were not expecting this, right? And so in
Yes.
such situation, what we can do if we don't have enough amount of money in our bank account? So since then, I realized that it is very important to keep some certain amount of money in our bank account. I realize it, but as per the current situation and the rise in the prices, somehow I cannot manage it. But still, I realize it. Till then, I was just living the life of a child because I was not matured back then. During that time, I just was got married that time. So the lockdown started just after the 9 months of my marriage. So I was not prepared, and I was just enjoying my married life.
Okay.
So,
So
Lina, sorry.
yeah, okay. Now you understand.
Now I perfectly understand about it. Now I cannot consider myself as a spendthrift. I can say myself as a miser, and I try to save each and every 1 rupee for my future. Needs and wants, because I know because whenever my husband says, "Hey, do you want this? It looks like very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Just to try it on." But I say that no, it's okay because I'm here just to buy a sari, so I don't want anything else. It's okay. I have a lot of these kind of things at my home, so it's okay. It's not necessary now because I know the value of money. But back then, when I was at my maternal home, that means with my parents, prior to my marriage, I was just like, oh mommy, it's just 3,000 rupees. Okay, please get it me. Please get me the dress. I didn't even think about what is the value of 3,000 rupees. And my mommy used to say that you don't know the value of this kind of money. You are saying like it's just only 3,000 or 300. You don't know the value of money. You just start to earn on your own. Then you will definitely realize the value of money. But back then I was not even bothered about it. Just it's the advice from my mother's side, right? Okay, let it be. But when I started to earn on my own, and when I started to face all these kind of situations, then I realized that it's okay. And whenever I go to my home on vacation, sometimes when we all the family members go out, I say I tell them like, oh, it's just 100 rupees. Oh, I'll order it through Flipkart because they are giving more offer. So suddenly my mommy will just stare at me. Oh, is it you? Is it you the same person? You
Okay.
were that kind of person and you just turned into this like of person. Oh my God, it's a sudden change. So my mother just again reminds me that I already told you, right? So now you are earning on your own, so you know the value of money. Obviously, I
Yes.
know about the value of money, and I didn't save the money, then I had to borrow money from somewhere else, right? Then the next month
Yes.
onwards, I had to repay it and I had to suffer for it, right? So now I am okay.
Yes.
In that sense I console myself itself. And but
Yeah.
this is a very crucial thing that every people should be aware of since their childhood. Have you ever noticed that some people, some students, I mean not students actually, some children, they saves money with great alacrity, right? They save money, they collect 1 rupees or 5 rupees from their parents and they put the coins inside a small, I mean,
Yeah.
bottle, right? Bottle, I mean,
Yes.
dabba.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, a small
Yeah.
box.
We
And
even the we say it as undial, no?
yes, yes, in Malayalam and Tamil, we say it undian, right?
Undial. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so they
Yes.
think,
I don't know in English.
oh,
Do you
yeah,
know the
that's what
name
I
of
was
that?
also getting stuck in between. Okay,
Okay.
so.
Yeah.
And people will just know.
Yeah.
Okay, my point is that the children, okay, children, they are collecting the money from their parents, but they don't know the value of the money and they don't have any plan for what they are going to spend the money, but still they collect the money because some parents
Yeah.
themselves teach the children to collect monies and to save the money, right? It is a
Yeah.
behavior, or it is a, I mean, behavior itself, behavior that we can inculcate in the mind of children.
Yes.
That the children should be aware of it, I think. And I also did
Yeah,
the same thing.
actually they don't know why we are saving the money, but get a interest to just collect all the money in one
Yes,
place.
yes.
Most of the time they look at the money
Ha.
again and again, but and even they say to everyone, I have this much money,
Yes.
I have saved this much money. Yeah.
Their interest was in the form of mental happiness.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right, I
Yeah.
also did the same thing, and whenever my father and mother, they wanted some amount of money to meet some needs, I used to give, I and my brother also, we used to give the money to them, and the happiness during that time on their face, it was the real interest for us. The
Yeah, yeah.
interest,
It's priceless.
that means, yeah, return. That means the if we will put the money on our bank account, certainly we get a certain amount of interest, right?
Yeah.
But for children,
Yes,
the
yes.
happiness is the real interest, right?
Yes, yes.
So it is very important, and I think we should all teach our children to, I mean, save the money. It's very
Yeah.
important.
That
And in this world, the needs are already up, and we have a lot of needs. So it is not possible to meet all our needs. So as you said, you just said correct in, I mean, at the beginning of our conversation, we have to realize that which one is very crucial. And if it's not possible for us, then leave it. We have to I mean, make our mind understand that okay, it's okay if I'm not able to meet this need now. then I'll consider it later on. Let it be.
Yeah,
So
yes,
that, but nowadays there is a tendency that if the other person, I'm taking your own example here, if the neighbor he has bought a new car, then I also want to buy a new car in the very next month because this is the problem, something related to my prestige. The
yes,
problem of prestige, that is the main problem here, and because of this problem, we all fell in the already fell in the problem of deadness, right?
yes.
Yeah. So,
That's true. That's
huh.
true.
So if we have enough bank account, then we can meet our debt problems and all. Money is the actual, what I can say, solution for many problems. I think so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
most of the problems, yeah, which is very the physical problems. We can't get mental peace by money, but the other physical things, physical problems, the outside problems we can, uh, yeah, we can rectify by money. I
Yes,
think so.
yes, yes. So money is very important. And I had a session with Ram sir few months ago, and in that,
I watched.
if somebody would watch this conversation, then they are going to make fun of mine because uh,
Yeah,
because in that situation, in that video, I said that money is needed, but still at some extent. Otherwise, we can live happily because we need money at some certain extent. But I am also a human being.
actually I
My
can say,
yes,
yeah, actually that I can say it is depends upon uh, that person's mindset.
yes.
No, if the person can be happy without money, that
Mhm.
is their happiness, we can't question them. No,
Yes,
the
yes,
it
yes.
depends upon the person's
Money gives
mindset.
respect. Do you know that money gives respect? If a person who has a lot of money in his or her bank account, then he or she is the most respectable person in that group, right? This is the
Yes,
actual bitter reality of our society.
yeah,
Yes, that
that's
is why
true,
each and
that's true.
every people running behind of money just by forgetting their real relationship, their children, their family. They forget about everything because they want to save more and more, and they want to lead a happy and prosperous life, right? But happy, many people don't think about happy life. They want to live. They want to lead just a prosperous and prestigious life. That's it. Even we also do that because without money we cannot survive here. There is nobody going to give us money without, freely, right? So it is very crucial. But this is the actual reality nowadays. It is what happening all over the world. So I think, according to me, if we earn 100 rupees per month, example 100 rupees per month, then at least we have to save 20 rupees for our future needs.
Future, yeah, that's true.
Yes.
And yeah, the actually it in the present world it's needed. We have to um, realize what we are earning and where we are spending. We have to realize those things. If we are not planning to spend this money for this money for that, if we are not planning like this, obviously in within 1 month, within our next salary, we uh, couldn't, yeah, we couldn't balance the money from our salary, no.
Yes, yes,
It will we spend within 1 month,
yes,
and we short of money within 30 days.
yes,
So we have to plan, for this money we are going to spend this,
yes, yes.
we are going to spend that,
Uh,
yeah.
correct. And many people are spendthrift, and that is what the reason. After crediting the money, within few seconds they have to repay the loan amounts and all, so that they have to again borrow from somewhere else, right? So that's that's the crucial and real thing that is happening among all of the people, because I know many people, they are my friends as well. They always say the same thing, that the money was credited yesterday, but now I don't have any bank balance. Say, do you have 1,000 rupees? I'll return you within few days. So
Yeah, it's
I'm just
because of
like,
their
it,
loan.
it's just only 5th of the month, and now you're borrowing 1,000 rupees from me.
Yes,
So
that's
just
yeah.
because of,
That's I think all these things. It's lack of planning.
yeah,
I can say
obviously.
because of if we plan, we can run with this money for the whole month. If we plan like this, we never short of money within
Yes.
30 days or middle of the month. Yeah.
Yes, obviously. And for middle class families, it is normal, I think. By the
Yeah.
end of the month, they would have some kind of problems in their home. Mm, because I can't say that they don't have any financial plannings. They might have some kind of plannings, but still, but I think we have to be extra vigilant for that. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Definitely. Yeah, actually, yeah, we can't say everyone, yeah, we can't say everyone will be that much financially in available in every day, no? Because most of the people are now, even now they are the day earning person, not a monthly wise earning person. Most of the people get a salary for each day. If they go for work for one day, they get a salary in the evening, in the end of the day. So for those people we can't complain.
Mhm.
They are spending those money for their necessaries, for their food and their shelter.
Mhm.
They only can spend this money for all these needs.
Yes.
So yeah,
But
it's a kind of
what if
exceptional, I can
what
say.
if we divide our total amount of salary I mean by 30? We are also getting low amount of salary, right? I'm not taking the example of anybody. Or we may have some perhaps you are getting 1 lakh per month and maybe 30,000 per month. It's I'm not taking any example of any amount. But still, I'm telling you that you are getting 1 lakh of amount, 1 lakh rupees per month because you are eligible for that, right? You have that much of proficiency, you have the education as well. So that is why you are getting that job. And for that other I mean skilled persons, we can say we can take any example, the daily wages, they also have their own skills, that is why they are getting the salary. But still, they have we all have to show some kind of skill in financial planning as well. I'm a strong advisor of financial planning. That is why when you suggested three topics, I just selected this one because this is what the point where I am very interested. I am interested in.
Okay.
So we all should be aware of
Okay.
financial planning, and if
Definitely.
investment is also very crucial, right? Nowadays, I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
gold is the best investment thing, right? Gold is the one and only thing where we can, invest eye blindly, right? Blindly.
I easily invest.
Yes, because
Yeah.
we cannot expect any fluctuation. We can expect fluctuation, but we obviously know the price will go up. It will increase, but it will
Yeah.
never decrease. Even if it decreases, then it will be only 1,000 or 2,000 rupees, and in the very next day or in the very next week, we can expect double of it to increase, right? So it is the best one to invest. That
Okay.
right? So we have to
Okay.
think
So
about
and
investment
what
as well.
for remind? Yeah, we have three. I think 2 minutes.
Yes, yes. I really was not bothered about the time flies because it was the
Yeah.
my favorite topic here. So I
Yes, yes.
totally
I can
enjoy the
understand,
conversation.
and I also I can understand by seeing you. I think we need one more session for discuss about this topic, I
The
think.
main you know what main problem is that whenever we have a new topic, I just don't have any point to say even in Malayalam. Then only I can translate
Okay.
it, right? So if I have enough amount of points in my brain, then it is easy for me and it would engage me throughout the session. So it was
Definitely.
actually, I am the person who wants to thank you because you suggested me the topic. So really thank you. It was this favorite topic, but still I didn't think about it. I haven't think about the topic.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, sometimes we couldn't get what we have to talk. Yeah,
Mm.
and for me also it is not my cup of tea, but still I am in a family, yeah, family girl, I can say, after marriage. So I also have to be a part of this kind of financial planning. So nowadays I am learning little by little about these kind of things. So that's why I just want to talk in this
Okay,
topic.
okay, okay. Usually, I pick my husband's brain for taking some kind of topics, but now you suggested one of the best topics.
Okay, thank you. Better if you want to talk about the same topic again, if you want, we can, yeah, accept this points
Yes,
we talked today, no? So we can get some more questions from this topic.
sure,
So
sure,
if
sure.
you want to, yeah, talk about, we can talk after 2 or 1